Hi everyone. I made a post on Facebook a while back about showing a picture of the sliding Legolini, which was invented by Joerg Sprave from Germany and then perfected in 3D and distributed on Thingiverse at the time, and now on his own individual website by a man named Lucasz Janikowski, if I'm pronouncing all that correct. And this is a result of it. So if you have a 3D printer, you can 3D print this in pieces and assemble it. It takes an average of 30 to 50 hours depending on the resolution you're using on your 3D printer. I printed mine as fast as possible because I didn't know if it would work, even though I had seen videos. And it does. This one is a little bit modified from what you saw in the picture I sent because of this piece right here. These two pieces allow you to double the bands for resistance when you are pulling it, so it's twice as powerful. This is the magazine that you load your pistol crossbow bolts in, and I have, and you pull up the spring arm like that, which pushes them down into the chamber so you can fire it. And they look like this. These are practice bolts that only have a slightly sharpened metal tip. And they glow in the dark, so if you think ahead, you can charge them up with a light, and at night you won't lose them. So it locks down like that, and the arm pushes them down into the chamber, which then shoots out the front right here. And if you want, you can even put a laser on the side to make it easier to shoot, because this doesn't fire as accurately as, say, a regular bow does because of all the magazine and everything else on it. So how it works is you slide it back. I have to depress the trigger because I need to take out the slack in these bands. So if any of you out there who have already made one of these, you know that you don't normally have to do this, but I do until I take the slack out in the bands. See, they're quite loose. It's not supposed to be like that. So you pull the trigger and you slide it all the way back, and it catches at the back end, and you release. Then when you pull, you can see I'm actually creating the tension there. And when you pull it all the way back and you pull this trigger right here, it fires the next bolt that has been pushed down out the front. And that's how it works. So here in a second, I'm going to show you me shooting at that target. Let's do that again. I missed. You get 6 shots total. One more. Okay, so that is the sliding Legolini, and this was invented by Joerg Sprave in Germany. And go check out his video that I will link down in the description, and check out Lucasz Janikowski's work and the 3D files to download, which I will also link to his website for that. And Joerg gives you a detailed description of how he invented it and how he worked with Lucasz. And his videos are always a treat because he has got a laugh like German Santa Claus. Just listen. He says, I invented the sliding Legolini. Let me show you its features. He's a treat. Anyway, go check it out, guys.